Whenever the CAT conducting institute changes, aspirants immediately rush to search for patterns. And when the name is IIM Indore, the discussion becomes even louder. But why? Because two of the most significant structural changes in modern CAT history occurred when IIM Indore was at the helm. Is history about to repeat itself for CAT 2026? Let's look past the rumors and analyze the actual data slide by slide to see what they are really planning. Let's take a quick look at the hard numbers. In CAT 2013, you can have a look. They gave you 60 questions in 140 minutes, demanding pure conceptual depth and calculation heavy mastery. In CAT 2014, they flipped the script completely, introducing a massive 100 question across 170 minutes. The focus instantly shifted to speed, question selections, and expensive topic coverage. In CAT 2020, they threw a new twist, dropping the paper down to 76 questions in 120 minutes, requiring razor sharp reading speed and high adaptability. So, from 60 to 100 and then a completely new format in 2020, this tells you one thing: your preparation cannot afford to remain static. Just have a look on this particular table. If I talk about your major focus, in CAT 2020 it was adaptability, in CAT 2014 it was speed and selection. Well, if I talk about for QA style, in 2020 it was efficient problem solving, in 2014 broad topic coverage. Well, talking about for LRDI style, in 2020 it was complex modern sets, in 2014 larger variety of it you observed. So, what is the real pattern that most aspirants miss? If I talk about for 2013, it rewarded pure mathematical reasoning and deep analytical skill. Have a look onto the table. In 2014, they delivered the biggest structural overhaul in CAT history. And in 2020, they delivered the biggest time format overhaul in CAT history. Dear ones, the hidden truth is that IIM Indore doesn't just make the paper more difficult. They create editions that look completely different from the year right before them. They are the masters of shattering continuity. That is the real angle you need to prepare for. So, if I talk about the one pattern most aspirants miss, for CAT 2013, conceptual mastery was required. For CAT 2014, strategic selections were required. For CAT 2020, adaptability was required. Handling a shorter exam was the key. But what for CAT 2026? Start ready for anything. Look at how the core testing questions have shifted over time. CAT 2013, they asked, can you solve difficult problems? Yes, through conceptual mastery. CAT 2014 asked, can you manage a larger exam efficiently through strategic selection? CAT 2020 asked, can you adapt to a completely different high pressure environment? So, what will CAT 2026 demand from you? The next skill is simple: stay ready for absolutely anything. You cannot rely on a single fixed paper layout. Because of this volatility, you absolutely must diversify your mock test routine to avoid any exam day shock. A wider range of mock experiences directly translates to massive confidence. Use standard mocks to build basic structural familiarity. Use high difficulty mocks to train your core mental resilience. Use speed based mocks to sharpen your rapid decision making. And throw in LRDI intensive and reading heavy mocks to protect yourself from section specific surprises. Is it clear? So, yes, should you change your mock test strategy? Yes, you have to change your mock test strategy. And this is what is written over here. To jumpstart this right now, Careers 360 is offering a free CAT 2026 mock test. It's designed to help you practice effective revision strategies and check your real time speed and efficiency completely at your convenience. The official link is sitting right below in the description box. Instead of trying to play fortune teller and guess the exact pattern, smart aspirants will build a preparation framework that survives any pattern changes. Focus on these 6 pillars right now. Concepts. Build a rock solid fundamental foundation across all the sections, for which we at Careers 360 will be helping you out, providing you many resources for your preparation, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. Reading ability. Work daily on your reading speed and inference comprehension. LRDI skills, strengthen visualization, logic modeling, and structural problem solving. For that, also, we'll be providing you an ebook wherein you can just prepare yourself with the PYQs as well as the practice questions. Time management, master smart time allocation per section. Mock analysis, review every mock deeply to catch weak patterns. So, again, Careers 360 is providing you free mock test. The next one is adaptability. Stay perfectly calm, flexible, and objective when faced with unexpected situations. These skills deliver 99 percentiles regardless of how the exam scales up or down. So, dear ones, there are 3 lessons from the previous IIM Indore CAT papers. CAT can change faster than aspirants expect. So many aspirants assume that the next CAT will closely resemble the previous one, but you should actually prepare your lessons in a very broader manner. Lesson 2, strategy matters as much as knowledge. And lesson 3, adaptability separates top percentilers, so stay calm. Dear ones, the core verdict is clear. Top performers are never the ones who successfully predict the exam format. They are simply the ones who prepare well enough to perform under any circumstances. Flexibility is your greatest asset for CAT 2026. Head down to the description, grab the Careers 360 free mock test, and let's start building your pattern-proof strategy today. Like this video if it brought you clarity, share it with your MBA circles, and subscribe to MBA 360 for the crispest exam strategies on YouTube. Keep grinding, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next one.